Mass tort is mass, happens to a lot of people, and a tort, which is what we call a civil injury. Basically what it is when a company's item, usually drugs, sometimes automobiles, injure people. A lot of the advertising that you see on TV talks about mass tort. When they talk about drugs like Juul, the new vaping drug, or talc, those are drugs that have been identified as drugs that have injured a lot of people. Mass tort cases are difficult in a number of reasons. One, there are a lot of clients, and there are a lot of lawyers representing a lot of clients. They're also very difficult because there's a lot of money involved. You have major corporations, they put up an enormous defense. Though a doctor should be the first step, do your own research. It's not too hard now in the days of the internet for us to put in side effects of this drug. And if you seem to be suffering from some of those side effects and it says these side effects are dangerous, then you do have to sort of take it on yourself, because the worst thing you can do as a person who's been damaged by a drug is to ignore the damage. The quicker you can get some education and information on it, the less damage it is to you. The reason why I think O'Mara Law Group is one of the best firms to talk to about these mass tort cases is because we limit what we do to those areas where we can be good. We don't take on more than 4 or 5 projects at a time, and when we have them, we dedicate the staffing, both the associate attorneys, myself, and support staff. And we also co-counsel with other firms when it's appropriate so that we can bring in the best team. These are not easy cases. We are going up against some of the best defense lawyers that drug companies can throw at us. You need to be able to stand up in a courtroom and say to them, we are not going to take this anymore. These are hard cases. We are up to the task, and we're doing everything we can to get your case in the best position possible for some type of resolution, whether that's a trial or some type of negotiation that gets you fair and just compensation and minimizes the damage of potential loss.